Salesforce Service Cloud is one of the most popular help desk software solutions out there, but before you make the decision to invest in it, there are a few key things you need to know. In this video, we'll break down 12 important factors to consider before buying and compare it with other popular options like Zendesk and Freshdesk. Stay tuned till the end to learn if it's the right choice for you. The first thing to know is that Salesforce Service Cloud integrates seamlessly with other Salesforce products. If you're already using Salesforce CRM, it's a natural fit. But if you're not using Salesforce, the integration might require more setup than you'd expect. Competitors like Zendesk are known for being more plug and play with other systems. Next thing is the user interface. While Salesforce Service Cloud has a powerful dashboard, it's not the most intuitive for new users. You may find the learning curve a bit steeper compared to simpler options like Freshdesk. If you're looking for something that's easier to pick up, you might want to explore other solutions. The third thing to consider is its automation features. Service Cloud is highly customizable and comes with robust automation tools. However, setting up these automations can take time and require a deeper understanding of the platform. Zendesk, on the other hand, offers more pre-built automations that are easier to implement right away. The fourth thing is its reporting capabilities. Salesforce excels in this area, offering in-depth, customizable reports. If you're data-driven and need detailed insights into your customer support operations, Service Cloud stands out. But for smaller teams or those without heavy reporting needs, you might find platforms like Freshdesk or Zendesk easier to manage. Next thing to keep in mind is scalability. Salesforce is designed for large enterprises, which means it can be overwhelming for smaller teams. If you're a growing business, there are more lightweight and affordable options available. But if you need to scale quickly, Salesforce has the power to support that. The sixth thing is the cost. Salesforce Service Cloud is on the pricier side compared to other solutions. While it offers excellent features, smaller businesses may find it difficult to justify the cost, especially if they don't fully utilize all of its capabilities. Alternatives like Freshdesk provide similar functionality at a fraction of the price. The seventh thing to know is about the customer support. Salesforce provides excellent support for Service Cloud users, but the complexity of the product means you might need more assistance to get things set up. Zendesk offers great support as well, but its simplicity might reduce the need for ongoing help. The eighth thing is the omni-channel support. Service Cloud shines when it comes to offering a wide range of communication channels. You can handle customer inquiries from email, chat, social media, and more. However, if omni-channel support isn't a priority for you, other help desk software like Freshdesk might be simpler and more cost-effective. Next up is customization. Service Cloud allows you to fully tailor the software to meet your needs, which is great if you have complex requirements. However, this level of customization often requires development resources. If you're looking for a more out-of-the-box solution, Zendesk offers customization with fewer barriers to entry. The 10th thing is integration options. Salesforce has a massive marketplace of apps that integrate with its Service Cloud. However, some of these integrations can be pricey or require a long setup. Freshdesk and Zendesk both offer integration with other software, but Salesforce's ecosystem gives it a clear advantage if you're already embedded in it. The 11th thing is that Salesforce Service Cloud excels in AI-powered tools. Features like chatbots, automated case routing, and knowledge-based suggestions are top-notch. But again, if you're after a more basic solution without the complexity, Zendesk's AI features are easier to implement and might suit your needs. Finally, consider the user experience. Salesforce's Service Cloud provides a powerful, feature-packed platform, but it can be overwhelming for smaller teams or those without dedicated IT resources. If you need a simpler, more straightforward experience, Zendesk or Freshdesk might be a better fit. In conclusion, Salesforce Service Cloud is a great choice for large businesses with complex needs, especially if you're already using Salesforce products. However, if you're looking for something more cost-effective or easier to use, we recommend checking out our suggested solution that you can try for free.